Reporting Live Ngakini, this is boy J holding it down, city to city, city to city. I would say, holding it down with one of the hardest working women in the game. Oh my Lord on earth, Ngakini, the legend herself, the incomparable. Oh my God. Your girl Lumkah Fabulas.
Thank you for having me again.
It's a pleasure.
We've been planning.
They need to see you now. They heard you. Now they need to see you.
We've been planning.
Part 2, the revenge. I mean, no, but you're busy. I understand.
Hey, yeah.
You busy. Ha, 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 ha. Like, you be busy as a motherfucker. Like, in Durban, I feel like it's Yashna, it's you, and Miss KK is doing her thing as well. You know, like, right now, it's the three of y'all holding it down. Like, fully and completely. And obviously, who babes so do. Shout out to DB and Coke. Oh my God. Kanji, y'all are doing some amazing things. And not even when I like Kaku, y'all definitely embracing like culture, you know, KwaZulu, you know what I mean?
So I must represent.
Shout out to Bonkom Kai. We love y'all. Love y'all. Shout out to all the mommies holding it down. Oh my Lord, let's continue. Yes, so as if I had. So like I know you do a whole lot of things, but like for those who don't know, what does Lumkah Fabulas do?
I'm a rapper, singer-songwriter. I'm a dancer, choreographer. I'm also an actress, but more importantly, I'm a businesswoman. I've got my own company. It's a creative agency that does a whole lot of other things. I do brand management for my up-and-coming artists. I also have a catering company under there, and then obviously just intimate events.
You fucking it up.
Because it's one thing at the end of the day, you know.
Yeah.
It's one thing at the end of the day. So if I can do it all, why not do it all? And just see what it is that can actually give me more money, then I'll stick to that. For now, I'm just on a route. I'm on a journey. I'm on a path.
I mean, well, you know, right now in the current entertainment and cultural scene, everything is sees as everything else.
Exactly.
So the businesswoman part of you might get those customers specifically because Lumkah Fabulas presents herself in such a dope way. You're like, oh my God, this girl is doing her thing professionally. Oh, she has a company that does this. Okay, it makes sense. Let me fuck with her. She seems like she knows what she's doing. You know what I mean? So all these things, like for me, I love it. Like I feel like this is what the women need to be doing, Fed. You know.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, you going in full and completely, man. How am I?
With the little that I have, bro. With the little that I have, I'm putting it all in. One day, it's about right.
Hi, one day soon, bro. Yeah, you're doing your thing, like you know,
it's about
like
to go down.
Yeah,
it's about to go down now.
Fully.
Yeah, I'm back.
I love you with the visuals because like visually, like oh my gosh, like follow her on Instagram, bro. I'm whatever.
Telling you, there was something for you guys. Oh, it's in my head. It's all in my head. It all starts in my head, and I just wanna like just share it with the world visually. Is it
with regards to this latest project?
Yeah.
Is it that thing you were shooting like a couple of weeks ago? Is it part of that?
Oh yes. That the photo shoot that we had. Yeah.
Oh, it was a photo shoot. Cool.
We had a photo shoot with the ladies for Inzalabantu because it's a compilation. So I just basically spoke to different ladies that are in the music scene and doing their thing. I'm like, I can't do this thing alone. You know, I need help. I need assistance. So let me just put the ladies together and see who's able to work. And I will hit you up and I will say, okay, this is what I'm doing. If you can't do it, you can. There's no hate. There's no beef. You know, because everybody's busy with their own things. I can't now expect everybody to be like, oh, I see again into that sense with Lumkah. No, it's just that the Lumkah in me always likes bringing people along. That's just the person that I am.
Yeah. And it was so amazing. Like, I was just following Instagram. Like, I thought it was a video shoot. Like,
no, it was just a photo shoot. We were just having a photo shoot. So I'm like, I needed content to be able to play around and just post the ladies post each other basically.
And all of those women were involved in the compilation.
In the compilation, yes.
Okay, can you name those women?
Okay, it's Kiki Gray. And then
Shout out to Kiki Gray. I just saw her when you were posting her. Ooh, she kind of fine.
Hey, Jay, got to
Continue.
And then it's Miss Kiki Swahili Queen.
Yes.
And then there's
shout out to your girl Kiki the chocolate.
Hey,
shout out to all my chocolate
this
women.
Is booty. This
holding
is booty.
it down. Yes.
And then there's Lee Zuchi. Lee Zuchi, I was introduced to her by Slim Ego, who's my producer. So she came through. I like her sound. I like her vibe. She's doing her thing also. I didn't know about her. So then I started following her up, and then I'm like, okay, she's cool with it. And then we got into studio. We did a track. So one track is a hip hop track. So it's Miss Kiki and Lee Zuchi on that one and me. And then there's another piano track which Kiki Gray and I are gonna do. And then there's another lady who's a vocalist, Umbalentle Mlambo. She's still new in the scene, but she's got a beautiful voice. I'm like, let me build her brand. Let me take her with me. You know, so she's a vocalist on the house song. So I'm thinking of visuals. I don't know yet. You guys are just gonna see. It's gonna be a surprise.
Oh man,
it's gonna be a surprise.
Like, you never disappoint with the visuals.
Yeah, no,
like honestly speaking, like yo, follow her on YouTube. Like your visuals are dope.
Thank you so much.
Your visuals are dope. Oh man. So let us know, like, you know, how long you've been in the game, and like, you know, take us through it, like, cause I remember there's this other project where it was like all pink and stuff, like a project before this. What was that called?
That was a single from the Dirty Mojito EP.
And I remember you told me you had that Havana sponsorship.
Yeah, it was it was powered by. It wasn't necessarily like a sponsorship. They just saw. I basically obviously sent through a proposal. And I'm like, this is what I do and want to do with the visuals, because the project is related to a cocktail, and you guys have rum.
It's
so I wanted
like festive visuals.
Yeah, so I wanted to have the colorful everything, the artwork, playing around with the different colored fruits and stuff like that. So that's how they.
It was dope. I should check that video out on YouTube. Yo, that's dope.
Yeah, that one. It was actually my. Intos Aktala was my first visual. Now it was like colorful and stuff, and that's where I officially introduced the Havana rum on that one. But that one didn't have a full music video. It just had a promo, and I'm like, my second single has to have a full video. Yeah.
Like the amount of hard work and effort that goes into your visuals, like you can tell.
I think about it. I sleep and I visualize about it. I'm like, this is what I want to do.
You are shitting on these hoes, bro. You're shitting on everyone, not even just the you shit on the niggas too.
I shouldn't about.
Hey, bro, but you're going in because it's at home. Oh my God, bro, I'm loving the vision. So, like, talk us through, you know, with regards to this specific project. Who did you work with, other than the, you know, the female features, like production-wise? Who did you work with?
So Slim Ego is my main producer, so he handles my beats and stuff like that. So I hit him up and I'm like, Slim, I need beats. This is what I want to do.
Slim Ego? Where's he from?
Slim Ego's from Emakapeni, the South Coast, but uhlala eMlazi. Mangirecording So I hit him up and I'm like, this is what I want to do. This is the vision. Please give me beats so I can select and then start giving it to the ladies.
Yeah.
So I drafted everything out and everything had a plan. Who's going to work on which song and what that song is going to be talking about, because it's 3 different concepts. It's 3 different genres, 3 different concepts. So I got the beats and then I gave them to the ladies. Then we went to King Next or Ecoside Studios. It's a... What's this place? Ngase Nanda. Oh my God. I'm forgetting the name. Good. So we went there with the ladies and then we recorded. So Nexo is basically on the recording side. Slim Ego is on the production side, and then I have Willis. He's a DJ, but he's also the executive producer for the whole EP. So then he takes the final product, listens to how it's mixed and mastered, and then we get the go ahead, and then we start launching it again. On the digital platforms.
Have you thought about the hard copy hustle? What you think? What are your thoughts about that?
Yes, somebody actually told me go right to Leonto, because it gives you sales from people abangeko on the digital space. So not everyone is on the digital, like a Fryhead, for example. i-technology yakhona ayikakafiki lapho, so they still basahamba ngamathezi, umuntu uhamba ngethezi uyadlala i-hard copy, you know. So if I do something like that, I'll have to go back to my hometown and just do something big.
But I mean, you know, like, have you thought about the merch thing? Because I attach my hard copies with merch.
I can see. I'll think about it, but with me,
I think you could get away with it, bro.
You think I should do it?
Yes. I think you would get away with it, man. Because, I mean, for example, let's say there are people wanting to spend money on you, but now they can't necessarily do it at an event. So they can do it via merch. And merch costs more than tickets.
That's the thing. The thing.
I think you could get away with it. I think you have enough following for it.
I'll think about it.
Get that movie. Yes, with December, bro.
I'll sleep on it.
Yes, with December. Get that guap, bro. I feel like there's so many people wanting to fuck with you, but the opportunity is only like one directional, which is the streaming and stuff, which doesn't really pay that much, to be honest with you, you know. So you have to sort of find other ways other than gigs that you can monetize from. Even if like for example, I want to do like a virtual concert, né? But I don't want to like just drop it on YouTube. I want to sell it in terms of part of the packaging. Like if someone purchases merch, they get a hard copyright. Then they also get like a private link to stream and download. There's going to be another private link now for the visuals. And let's say someone can also purchase the visuals separately as well as a hard copy DVD or whatever. Provide different ways of monetizing from that performance. I feel like you would kill that shit. To be honest with you. Because I'd love to see all about 5.
It's about five members because you just joined.
All 5 of you ladies, oh my. Get like a female DJ too. Get like DJ Zero, DJ Nano, so cool, whatever, and fuck it up. I feel like that would
I've
be
worked
dope.
with all of those ladies actually.
Sis,
Funny that you're mentioning it. Yeah, we should really do something like that.
I thought you were gonna mention like some female producers as well. Like, yo, where the female people?
I'm looking for them, bro. The only person that I know is Genius Illusion. She's a producer.
Oh, she's from Durban. Where?
Uhlale Glenwood. I was Skim Sam tour. I had on the Skim Sam tour where I had Ezra Tai, DJ Zida. She was also part of it as well. Yeah, so she's the only one I know. Come on, guys, ladies, as producing fits. Let's do these things. Let's do these things. Honestly, I even want to perform with an all-female band, not because Beyonce is doing it, but because of
Beyonce does that.
Yeah,
she's such a genius.
She does that, but
your leader.
We can't. Is there a female bassist? Is there a female pianist? I've never seen anyone. You know, and you try and do my music schools in Abonje.
But like that would be dope. Jabulani Cindi presents his bass and his concubines. Jabulani Cindi and his concubines. Performing Ngakini. No, but I'm trying to figure out a dope name. Jabulani Cindi and his wives somehow, you know. Feel like Koti performed with 27 women or some shit. All of them was married and shit. It's gangster. But I feel like that would be dope. Like an all-female band, that would be so
really
dope.
Would be dope. So I'm looking. I still haven't found anyone.
But I feel like you would pull it off. Yo, holla at Lumkah, bro, on Instagram. If you're a bad by you know how to do some. That would be so. Because right now it's all about how can I prolong pieces of content.
Yes.
How can I make a piece of content
because content is expensive.
Yeah, but so like if I'm gonna do this visual performance, how can I make it last as long as possible?
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, but so you're gonna do like an hour's performance and you're gonna whatever and you then like let's say chop it up, have like a nice young music video from that can actually play on CVA quality or like release that as a like so many ways of monetizing off of it that I'm trying to milk. Yeah, well, because some people are doing like the visual concert like umuntu azothenga tickets and then they get the live thingy and then they're disappointed by ticket sales and the visuals aren't available on YouTube. Bruh, isn't that a fucked up? Isn't that fucked up?
It is.
So you need to adjust. Yeah. And I feel like you pull it off, bruh, like what's going on with the views 25 thing? We've seen it views.
Views was a full-time job.
Yeah. So
I had to choose either I'm going the job route, the 9 to 5 route, or I'm going the entrepreneurship route.
But in terms of like, I'm talking about like doing a performance there. performing at Japan.
I'm not sure what's happening there now. I'm not sure with the whole COVID thing and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
But we need that performance.
Yes, that performance. Yo,
when is the compilation coming out?
It's coming out on the 30th of September, which is the last day of this month. So I've got like 2 weeks to work on the visuals because after dropping the audio, I want to drop the visuals.
I want to do like a young listening session. Yeah, have you thought about that?
Yeah, definitely. I did that for the Dirty Mojito. 50 guests, 50 guests. Just a nice meet and greet, media people, young vibe. Yeah, definitely.
Damn, I might just need to holler at you for those PR services. Like, I just love how you handle your shit. It's just dope.
Hey, yeah, bruh.
No lie, no cap.
It's gonna happen.
Ngakini.
Ngakini. It's gonna happen, Ngakini. Wow.
Reporting live Ngakini. So, boy, you're holding it down. City to city, titty to titty. Vibe, deeply rooted. Shout out to you, boy. Let the people know where they can holler at you in terms of like online, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, what's going YouTube, this thing.
So I saw this lento makebhula intambo yakehlela. I am Zulu based queen in this motherfucking scene. On my socials, it's at Lumkah Fabulous, LUMKAH FABULAS, Fabulous with Zulu, across all social media platforms. I've got a YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like that as well. It's Lumkah Fabulous.
Ngakini, it's your boy, you're holding it down. And like, give us like the link or email to your, like, you said you have a media company, PR situation going on. What's up with that?
It's a brand development company for up-and-coming artists.
Yeah, what's it called?
It's the Fun House. The Fun House basically houses all the other subdivisions of what the company does. So there's a brand development section there.
How can someone contact the Fun House?
It's fabulousfunhouse@gmail.com. Just drop me an email there, fabulousfunhouse@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can DM us at Fabulous Empire on Instagram.
Fabulous Empire on Instagram. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to just holler at y'all. Love the shit y'all doing. It's dope. I've never seen it done so well. Ngakini. Fucking dope. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, you're holding it down, city to city, city to city, with the legendary, one of the hardest working women in the game, Lumkah. Oh my God, I can't wait to see them visuals. Shout out to Kiki Gray, shout out to Miss KK, shout out to Umbali
Mlambo, yes, no Lizuchi.
Lizuchi. I don't... Lizuchi vessel... Yo, there's a gang of pictures you posted, bruh. Needs to check her out.
Lizuchi's the thick one.
The thick one, a whole lot of thick one. If you must know. But anyway.
Why you making me like a pimp, like a
No, Haibo. Is she not thick in? Oh, I believe you.
She is thick.
Ngakini. Holding it down, city to city, city to city. Deeply rooted, tune in, subscribe. We're over 1,000 subscribers. I guess slow. We're over 1,000 subscribers. Way! Ngakini. Basonya. So posh. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Mocha.
Head up of water, my ducks in a row. Only one life and I'm living it though. Jay's 10, what's happening, bro? Recording, stay patient, you know I go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing in product, a boy on the road. I might just pull out.